Hello guys, welcome to a very quick video. I just want to show you how you can change the language of your infotainment display from your Volvo XC60, XC40, XC90, so XC30, so it doesn't matter, all of them with this software version 3.3.16. so it's the Android Auto which is installed on this new infotainment system, and this will work for all of them. So basically what you have to do is very easy. You just go to the settings and then you go down to system, so the last one, and then from here the first one is languages, so this one is in German, so Sprachen, and then you select the first one again, and this is Dutch. Now you can choose which one do you like, so English, and for example I will select United States, and after that the language is just changed, as you can see. So that was it for this video. I hope you like it, and see you in the next videos.